private beach. You have your room. Phuket is the fucking fitness island, okay? Like, it has the nightlife, it has Bangalore Road, it has everything. It's basically very, very loud, full of crowds, full of tourists, but I still love it. Like, good morning, everyone, from Phuket, Thailand, and you're more than welcome to join me on my trip along the coastline in Phuket. It's going to be a very, very interesting and scenery-rich ride tour in Phuket. I'm going to drive from Patong Town, like direction Ravi. It's basically right now I'm on the west coast. I'm going to have breakfast. Like, to be honest, you gotta love riding a scooter through Thailand. It's one of the best things. Highly recommend, like, rent a scooter and enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery, enjoy everything. I just stopped here. Check this beauty out there. And you have these kind of beaches a lot here around Phuket, which are more or less abandoned. Personally, me, I prefer a beach like that one over there, or you maybe don't have the standard amenities like toilet, like massage, everything, but it's like this kind of like has the beach, you know, the movie beach, the feeling of the movie beach. Down there we have the beautiful Kamala beach. Here's, by the way, a famous beach club, Cafe Del Mar. Driving through Kamala, which is a small beach town, I would say, here along the beach. Patong is, by the way, like has to be one of the most crowded and most famous cities here in Phuket. It has a huge population. It's always like busy. It has the nightlife, it has Bangalore Road, it has everything. It's basically very, very loud, full of crowds, full of tourists, but I still love it. Like, we're approaching Patong. Yeah, like sidewalks are for sure missing in Thailand. All right, now let's get some breakfast, shall we? Generally, all you need, if you're a carbs guy, pancakes over there, which I'm not gonna take. I'm going to go for the omelette, a little bit fruits, and after this we're going south. We're going south of Phuket to Ravi. My ice cold latte with almond milk. Much better alternative than standard cow's milk. More protein, less carbs. Cheers. Alright, riding through Patong main street now.
Boxing Stadium, Sainan Yan Road.
Bangla walking street, famous for its nightlife. If you rent a room here on Bangalore Road or near here, then don't expect quiet night. It's going to be loud as fuck and you probably won't be able to sleep. If you're a tourist, just walk. Recommend highly to walk down this street. Very interesting during nighttime, of course. Alright, Bangalore Road, and now let's go further.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for Phuket's biggest MMA and kickboxing fight night? Bangla Boxing Stadium.
Stopped here. Famous 7-Eleven. 7-Elevens here are basically on every fucking corner. By the way, it's interesting. They have here this one which one? Like they have Chang beer with caffeine. This one, yeah. Chang beer. There's the caffeine. Lager beer, cold beer. Where's the caffeine? Anyways, there's like a Chang beer infused with caffeine for like, I guess, heavy alcoholics. This is a typical backpackers food. Like they buy 2 of these or 3 of these, eat every day, and say that in Thailand you can survive with $5, $5. Sure you can, like, but on the cost of your own health, because those sandwiches for sure not healthy. It's 10 a.m. Why are you buying beer, dude? Easy to spot Russians here, all of them wearing these white shirts. See? So that's how you spot a Russian here in like a distance of 300 meters at least. I don't know why they were wearing those white shirts. Kata beach for sure is like one of your best options here. One of the best beaches in Phuket, Kata beach. This is cool, kind of like you drive here along the highway and what do you see? An elephant. What's up there, big fella? How you doing, man? For what it looks like, I would say if you're in Phuket, don't stay in one town all the time. Maybe split your stay in like Rabai, Patong Beach, Kata Beach, Patong Town, so you can feel the difference of Phuket. I wouldn't recommend like staying in one town, one city. This is how you make pork here.
Yes.
This is your special sauce, huh?
Yes.
Beautiful, thank you. I already ate.
Yeah,
I'm full.
you already did. Okay.
Next time. Sorry.
Yes.
All right. This is, by the way, like just a random small market on the street side. Now it's not packed because it's noon time, but otherwise I guess this is full. Not one of the most famous beaches in Phuket, but for sure it is a nice location. What do you say? I just stopped here for a quick after breakfast, you could say. I'm already full, but this place looks so nice, called Soul Kitchen in Rovai. Check it out. So the gentleman here is even so kind, he's bringing here the shade for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I help you to bring it back. Soul Kitchen. And there I have the beautiful view to my scooter and the beach. Perfect, yeah? Man, gotta love Thailand. Gotta love Thailand. This special vibe here. And yeah, Ravai so far, I'm impressed. Like, thank you. Soul Kitchen. The basically fired with real wood. This is amazing. Like, I mean, if you need a good pizza, this for sure is your spot here in Ravai Soul Kitchen. See for the first time, like stuff like this. Like, not even in Italy I've seen. Yeah. Always remember when you're ordering iced latte, always say no sugar, almond milk. That's the way to go. They order tuna salad, basically. Healthy way how to go during your lunchtime. Fisherman's spot. But anyways, like I like it. I like the vibe. You definitely feel here the laid back atmosphere, chill. Everything's fine here. Love it. All right, like let's continue my ride along the coastline of Raleigh. Now on the way to check one popular gym here, aka gym. It's a Muay Thai MMA facility here. Was on the way, so let's check it out. Yeah, one of the upscale facilities here they have in Phuket. Everything's here, like cold plunge, fighters area over there. Private sessions, high quality bags, equipment. Yeah, I believe they promote themselves as high-end Muay Thai gym. Yeah, they even have like a gym there. Gym is also here. Nice, real nice facility. I like it here I like it here. It's in the mountains. The shade is also here coming from the palms. They have here even a pool, cafe over there. Real nice facility, and probably good instructors. Yeah, good vibes here. Definitely could imagine training here. If I'm not mistaken, Wiz Khalifa, that's like a famous rapper or something, also trained here, and the DJ Koyoki, what was the name? So also was here. And there's like a podcast real quick with Mike Swick. I'm not sure who Mike Swick is, but here's even like a podcast studio, so this is unreal. Anyways, check out the podcast with Mike Swick. Probably some good MMA Muay Thai content. This is one of the upscale options if you're into Muay Thai and MMA, aka gym. Cool. All right, let's go further. Alright, like right now here at the Tiger Muay Thai facility, which is as well a very famous Muay Thai gym here in Phuket and in Thailand in general. Home of many UFC champions, Peter Yan, and so on and so forth. Full gym here. 2 rings, quality equipment. I'm not sure whether they have MMA here. For sure, a good option. Yeah. And by the way, Tiger Muay Thai is located on the street, which is called the Fit Street. Basically means a 1 kilometer long street where they have many Muay Thai gym facilities as well as CrossFit facilities and healthy bars, restaurants, stuff like that. Another one, fight store. Yeah, plenty. Yeah, this is what I love about the Fit Street. Okay, like we don't see this here in Europe. Protein shakes. Yeah, like Thailand is really a good example, like becoming like how to eat healthy. Hello. Yeah. So, for example, I give you how to plan your day if you're a Muay Thai fighter, or in general fitness enthusiast. There's like also like I believe that's the Super Fit, that's the CrossFit facility. Anyways, where was I? Like if you're into martial arts or fitness, how to plan your day, definitely start it early in the morning, take cold shower, maybe breakfast, protein, fats, healthy fat-rich breakfast. Then you go to your Muay Thai session, like charge your battery. After that you can like go for a massage, which they also have here plenty spaces. Second workout, gym workout maybe. Then you have like lunch, you eat healthy fish, maybe again massage. Then you go to ice bath, sauna, and yeah, in the evening you can decide what to do. Like, so yeah, super fit Phuket. I believe this is a gym, a really nice gym facility. And as you probably saw, this is just in a, this is in the area of 200 meters from the start of the street. And another like strength conditioning, Kong strength and conditioning. There is another like strength and conditioning area. I think you got the idea why this street is called the fitness street. Food show. Hello, beautiful girls. Hello. Hello.
See on the mic with some monsters. Chupacabras off the booze and ganja with stupid proper. We on tail, so excuse the passion. Plus we ill for real, we can use a doctor. Ay, somebody gon' text the ER, please.
Best protein shake I had in my life.
Been rhyming since Manny was big timing, but them labels ain't signing, so fuck it, I'm Lyft driving. Let's get money on the side, got a show in LA, going dummy on the 5, let's ride sideways up in CHP, in the whip getting lit, bumping EA ski, it's me, from the West Coast, on tip, on the West Coast, oh, you know this for the West Coast, on tip, on the West Coast, oh, you know we from the West Coast, on tip, on the West Coast, oh.
And the best is that everything's even like hotels are on the same street, so you don't have to like go far from your hotel to the gym, whether it be Muay Thai or regular gym.
What you need is to strike to the bank, freak. Then we can make the exchange like a fair trade. She hit it once and got stuck till her hair gray. What's up with y'all? Nothing really letting brew crack. Stoned again off that Afghan goose sack. She started reaching, thinking she could handle it. Flick a big, baby girl, keep the candle lit. From the West Coast, on tip, on the West Coast. Oh, you know this for the West Coast.
Yeah, like, this was the 1 kilometer long fit street. In case you're into that stuff, Muay Thai, MMA, fitness, this is your spot, your address when you're in Phuket. Or to be more precise, one of the options is that they have here hundreds of Muay Thai gyms. Lions MMA Club. This is amazing. It's something. You can jog along. You can run around along here the streets. They have pedestrian roads as well there. Enjoy the sunset. Beautiful. That's one of the amazing things about Thailand, like the diversity. Like, you think it's one island, Phuket is going to be same all around Phuket, but it's not. Like, that's why I like to visit different spots in Phuket. And again, low tide. That's why we don't have water along the sidelines, along the coastline. I'll show you this new hotel, Veranda Resort by Marriott. Look at how cool. There's hello receptionist. Brand new hotel here on the on this east side. Beautiful. Look how amazing it is. Private beach. You have your room with a beautiful view, and yeah, this is a brand new hotel by Marriott, Veranda. And in this peaceful, very quiet area. You don't have here the hustle, okay? It's a little bit far away from Phuket center. But other than that, if you're into a peaceful vacation, don't want that hustle, and enjoy a quality hotel, quality food, yeah, the view here and the sunset is just amazing. Like, can you feel it? Wow, amazing. Amazing swimming pool, amazing atmosphere. Veranda Hotel by Marriott. Your option if you want something special here in Phuket. What can be better than this? Like, yeah, and it's brand new. I mean, like, I wouldn't stay here for 2 weeks, but like 1 week for sure, like just to have that relaxation vibe and amazing sunsets, like with all those boats there. Yes sir. And a new hotel is always a good hotel. With such a nice lounge chairs over there, always seeing the sunset. Relaxation pure. And I love the design of the rooms. This is yeah, for sure one of the best options when you're in Phuket. You don't have to go to the known places. Kata here, southeast coast of Phuket. Definitely a place to consider for your vacation. Beautiful. And by the way, this is a 5-star hotel, as you probably can see, and it's not that expensive. It goes for like up to, you know, even during the high season, because it's new, like 180 and 200 euros per night, so it's affordable. Not sure whether you will get that beautiful apartment room with the sea view, but anyways, like, yeah, this is a nice option. Just chillax, no hustle. I don't need like thousands of people on the beach, if you know what I mean. Like, sometimes more or less the most popular beaches here are crowded. This one is a hidden gem for sure. Kata, southeast side of Phuket. And yeah, like despite all the negative reviews, more or less people give over the internet that Phuket is like not worth visiting. It's complete bullshit. Like most of them people are backpackers who are searching for like $10 accommodations and so on. Yeah, Phuket is definitely not on the cheap side, okay? Like Phuket is a little bit more expensive and getting even more expensive. But however, Phuket is the developed island, one of the most or the most developed islands in Thailand. So if you're settling down, you should definitely consider Phuket as your spot. Here are many options here if you like crowds, if you don't like crowds, and so on. Ravai, Patong, whatever, like, check it out for yourself. But definitely Phuket is the place where you can have a nice, peaceful, recharging vacation. Combine it together with fitness, with martial arts, with healthy food and everything. Like, Phuket is a perfect place for that. You can say Phuket is not only Phuket doesn't have only the fitness street, the fit street. Phuket is the fucking fitness island, okay? Like, it is how it is. Like, I don't know another place where they have so many Muay Thai gyms, CrossFit gyms, fitness gyms, whatever, like gyms, everything's here. Like, and planet Earth is a big ball capacitor, means on the surface of the soil, of the ground, are many free electrons which travel up your body and basically are charging you. So I recommend to walk barefoot on the beach after workout, or at whatever time you decide, because this is literally making you healthier. You kind of like consume the free electrons from the earth up to your body. That's the reason why Some people saying it's a known fact that walking barefoot is healthy for you. Yes, it is. All right, this is definitely a good place where to enjoy the sunset. And at this spot here, this is I don't know the name of this bar, but it is just below the famous Baba Nest bar, which is like up, but there you need a minimum spend of like 3,000 baht, which is about 90 euros. However, this is a good alternative, yeah, where you just can like enjoy the sunset without a minimum spend. Yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, like it's going to be great fun. Gonna take up some carbs. It's going to be an interesting cheat day. This it's hard.
100 baht. Thank you.
Sauce, special sweet sour sauce. Love it. Now we're talking real stuff here. Crickets, like crickets, bugs, scorpions, bugs, scorpions. Yeah. Give me something.
Back to the roof, babe. Let the shadows
This is, by the way, what Bill Gates
I'm making
wants to
noise
see.
consent. I know where I belong. Down in the jungle, down I crawl.
I hope I won't die from this shit or catch a bad diarrhea. This is what real men eat.
Watching you fall. Watching you fall. Down in the jungle. Watching you fall. Back to the roots, babe. 'Cause I want it all. Hearing all these voices when the shadows fall. Down in the jungle.
So yeah,
Down I crawl.
now I'm tasting
I'm on top of the food chain. I stand tall. If you ain't got me, babe.
I'm just like eating bugs and I will swallow that with coconut pancakes. So, good plan, right? Good idea.
If you ain't got me, babe. If you're down in the jungle. If you ain't got me, babe. If you ain't got me, babe.
Very delicious, very healthy, rich in protein. My favorite street food, basically here in Thailand. Squids. Cakes are finally cold enough. Oh. They're really fucking hot. Still hot, like. So probably you have to like let them cool down for a while, like 10 minutes or something. Not like what he said, like 1 minute and it's good to go. Yeah. This dude over there is an artist. Making ice cream, by the way. This is ice cream. this is the end of my cheat day. Yeah, tomorrow probably will have to hit the gym twice in order for me to burn all the calories I had today. Behind me I leave the Naka Weekend Market. Definitely a place to visit when you're in Phuket. Just remember not to spend that much money on all that delicious food. Very hard to resist. Yeah, but today I had a cheat day. That's why you saw me eating carbs and sweets. Anyways, folks, like if you like this video, you know what to do. Thumbs up and subscribe. I don't know why I'm laughing. Like, swear I didn't smoke anything. I'm good. All right, like folks, like. If you like this episode, you know what to do. Thumbs up and subscribe. If you're in Phuket, subscribe, and if you're somewhere else, also subscribe. And yeah, like as always, your Trolley be your host for the evening. As usual, the fitness, lifestyle, delicious food recommendation videos, travels, everything like. Bye bye.